Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna do DIY fingernails painting. You'll need nail polish. You'll need nail polish that has a little nail polish pens at the top. And you can get these at your local arts and crafts store. And you'll need paper towels to protect the surface. The first step is to lay out paper towels. And the second step is to lay out the nail polishes right where you're not going to be working. Next step is to pick a color, and then you can either just to go for the starting off the pen, or you can either just start with painting your nails with the nail polish. So I'm going to go with just painting the nail polish because once it dries, I'm going to just do the art on it. Can you hold that for me?
Sure.
Next color I'm going to be using is blue. Next color is silver. The next color I'm going to be using is going to be black. And if your nail polish gets on your hand, it's okay because you can wipe it off with the paper towel. Last time I'm going to do is going to be pink. And then you'll need 15 minutes for it to dry. So now it has been 15 minutes. So now we're going to see how the pens work. So the cool thing about these nail polishes is that now you can write on your nail polish on your hand with the pens. Now these are only supposed to go on top of your nails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a heart on this one. That was a very good heart, but that's okay. So the next color that I'm gonna be using is going to be black. No, blue. Actually, yeah, I was right. Black the first time. Maybe I should write LOL. There. Tried writing LOL. Not my best. The next color I'm going to be using is blue. I'm going to try to draw a snowflake. There, that's the best spot I can do for the snowflake. And for the yellow, it doesn't really matter what I draw because no matter what you draw, you won't be able to see it. But the second cool thing about these nails, about this nail polishes, is that the pink, the blue, and the yellow can glow in the dark. Now for the last one, I'm gonna do the silver. There. It's a sideways. It's kind of like a sideways one. So now we're gonna have to wait 15 minutes for these nails to dry. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on next time. Peace.